Hey people, we're back here at Lowe's to see if any of the price have changed. And right here on the Kobalt eyewear and LED, they went down to $12.97 from $14.97. That's the safety glasses with the LED lights. Got the 22-piece drive accessory set, $29.98. 21-piece drill and drive set, $19.98, and the 50-piece drill and drive set, $19.98. The rechargeable work light is $27.48. Got the lumen headlamp, 365 lumen headlamp, $19.98, or the dual color headlamp, $9.98. Got the 20-piece ratchet and wrench set, $69.98. 4-in-1 ratchet handle, $19.98, or the 2-piece universal wrench, $19.98. 3-piece groove pliers, $14.98. 28-piece combination wrench set, $29.98. Kobalt standard work gloves, $14.98. And here you got the 16-ounce steel hammer, 12-inch pry bar, $14.98 for the combo. Got the 24-in-1 screwdriver with precision, $14.98, and the dual hex key set, $11.98. Here you have the router combo, cable combo for $129, down from $179. And the 6-gallon portable pancake air compressor is $99, down from $129. You got the Tray Stack Pro Tower, $169, down from $199. Here's the crate, $29.98, down from $34.98. This is the new crate. Here's the camouflage backpack. 36 pockets. There's a rubber bottom. Here you have the 276-piece rotary tool accessory. It's $29.98, or the 10-piece oscillating blade kit, $29.98. Here you have this is exclusive 25-foot 3/8-inch economy rubber air hose from Craftsman, $17.98, or a 50-foot for $27.98. The 44-piece ratcheting screwdriver set, $21.98. A 4-pack of safety glasses, $14.98, down from $19.98. 15-piece speed drive ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver, $15.98. 20-piece metric SAE hex key set, $15.98. Here they have a Craftsman 41-inch 10-drawer cabinet for $4.89. 71-piece versus stack mechanics tool set, $64.98. The 25-piece screwdriver set is $34.98. The ratchet tie down, the 6-pack, $30.98. 60-piece drill drive bit set, $24.98, and the 140-piece drill drive bit set, $39.98. Yeah, this one went down $10. The Kobalt 126-piece 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive, metric and SAE. Here's a 50-piece 1/4 drive mechanical set, $34.98, down from $39. Little hard case. 700 lumen dual power rechargeable flashlight, $24.98. And the 550 lumen dual power headlamp, $24.98. These are still $24.98, both the 2-piece 2-in-1 flip pliers and also the 3-piece super high leverage plier set. They still got these for $9.98, your choice. The hex keys, utility knives, 7-inch square, 25-foot tape measure, or the two pack of the torpedo levels. Here for $19.98, you get your choice of the digital angle gauge and level or the magnetic billet torpedo level. The 2-pack of retractable knives from Toughbuilt went down to $9.98 from $14.98. $18-ounce steel rip hammer, $19.98. The 60-foot tape measure and fixed blade utility knife is $19.98. Or the 25-foot pro blade tape measure, $19.98. Here you got some Craig, the pocket hole jig, $320, $34.98, and the 720 is $129. The 2-pack, the Sawhorse, $49.98. The 9-gallon wet dry vac from Dewalt, $99. $11-piece jigsaw blade set from Bosch, $14.98, or the 7-piece recip saw blade set, $14.98. They got this Dewalt bid set right here with the tough case, $39.98 down from $44.98. 100 pieces. Here they have this Metabo right here, $349 down from $449. The 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. There's the number right there. There's like a big one right here, laser. Then they have this one right here, a 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw, $199 down from $299. Here they have this Bosch. They have it on sale right now for $599 down from $649. 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. They still got the job site table saw for $299 down from $399. And they got the planer on sale too, the 3-blade planer. The DW735 is $599 down from $699. And the 734 is $449 down from $548. They got the Kobalt 227-piece mechanical tool set, $159 down from $219. Comes with all 3 ratchet sizes. Here's all the pieces it comes with. Then they have this one right here, 227-piece for $219. These are the 90 tooth ratchets right here.
This is Justin Herbert, quarterback for the NFL, member of the company. You would send in the line to
The 100-piece screwdriver bit set, $14.98. 20-piece screwdriver set, $19.98. And the 5-piece plier set, $24.98. They got the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $249 down from $269. $20 off on this one. Here's the Kobalt deals. 4-amp battery starter kit, $149. 2 batteries and a charger. A 2-2 combo kit for $199. Comes with 1 battery. Looks like a 2.0. And a 4-2 combo kit, soft case charger and 1 battery. That looks like a 4.0. That one's for $249. If you buy any of these, then you get one of these tools free. Here they got the scale, 12-volt, 5-2 combo kit, $129 down from $199. So it's $70 off right now. It's for $199 you get 2 5.0 battery, a charger and a soft case. Or for $299 you could get the brushless 2-tool kit with 2 power stack batteries, a charger and a soft case. And you could get one of these tools right here for free. Got the jigsaw, the grinder, the impact driver, the radial, recip saw, circular saw, multi-tool, orbital sander, impact wrench, the 1/2 inch, the router, impact wrench, the 3/8, or a 5.0 battery. They got a Kobalt circular saw, the 6.5 inch for $55.27 down from $129 on clearance. So you might want to check your store, see if they have it. They got the big Craig pocket hole machine, $349 down from $399. That's a beast right there. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.